Hi everyone, let's see how you can get the old layout menu in Adobe Reader. To do that, simply click on Menu, then click on Disable New Acrobat Reader, and finally click on Restart. That's it. Now, to remove this Tools pane, simply click on this arrow. Now go to Edit, and then go to Preferences. Under Categories, select Documents and simply checkmark this box and save the change. Now restart Adobe Reader and you will not see the Tools pane. However, if you see it, simply click on the arrow icon again, close it and open your document again. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.